Alright traders, these are my picks. This is how I organize my trading. Xerox, I'm going to go in at 1201, nothing lower. Okay, so I'm going to make this a stop. Scale in, my goal. Scale in means I'm going to buy, like if I buy 500 at 1201, I'm going to buy another 500 at 1301. Professionals do this, they scale in after the stock confirms strength. Let's see, and the stop. Since I'm gonna start slow and scale in later, I'm not gonna lose that much money if it turns against me. HGG limit order. HGG, I thought it was a little overextended, so I'm gonna wait until it drops down a little more, and then I'm gonna buy it. It's actually the opposite of what I'm doing at XRX. CHRW, goal to be determined by market. If I see that it's trending, really is really strong, I'll put a trailing stop order according to the ATR, average true range. CHRW, I'm in at 62.60 as a stop order. Stop means at that price or higher. That's after a confirmed strength. I'm out at 14.22. Wait a minute. This is obviously a mistake. CHRW. Wait a minute. Okay, stop. Okay, here we go. No, I'm not gonna risk. How much is it? About 50 bucks on a trade. No, that's just not gonna happen. So 64, 61 is my goal. So I'll show you real quick how I determined this on the chart. Let's start with XRX. On the daily, I drew some trend lines here. You can see my previous video what happened. So I'm not going to trade here. I'm not going to trade at 83. I'm going to wait till it goes above the round number. The fundamentals are good, but they're not 100% in my opinion. So we're gonna wait a little bit. So I'm going to go in at 1201 after it crosses this and it crosses the round number. It'll show me that it's strong. I'm going to go in. Then after it touches, let me see, the weekly. After it touches this level, after it enters this level, I'm going to scale in if it enters this level. And then this is going to be my goal. I'm not going to take it too far. Again, the fundamentals, they're not that great. And they're not 100%, not like my other picks. Now, this is just, this can change at any time. My profits can go higher or lower. All depends on market conditions. You got to stay in touch with the markets every single day. To see what's going on, at least for a minute, at least for an hour. HGG, I felt it was a little overextended over here at this level, so I'm gonna wait until it retraces back over here. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna take the trade. I just don't like overextended stock like that. It's tardy. You're tardy to the party. I don't want to get caught up in that stuff. It's no good. It's no good, because then what'll happen is it'll take my stop, go all the way down here to this level, and then I lost money, and then it'll shoot all the way back up, and then I lost money on the trade instead of riding with the bulls. So no, I'm gonna wait. If it doesn't hit it, it doesn't hit it. There's always another stock out there. Lot of fishing to see here. So CHRW. This is clearly resistance here, so I'm gonna go in after it shows me that after it goes above this level over here. That's gonna show me that it's good. That's gonna show me that it's very strong, and the profit is gonna be 64.61. I determined that let's see, 65. At 64, 61, depending on market conditions. Now I'm looking at this area here, which is looking good. It's looking like a good resistance area to unload all your stocks at. I was looking at the monthly chart, and it tells a different story. So this may be my new goal. But you know what? At 64, 61 will be my first goal. If it continues to act strong, I'll load up more shares there, and but I'll just take this little note over here, 65.60. I was looking at the monthly, or 65.6. I was looking at the monthly chart, so you miss a lot of the in-betweens when you look at the monthly chart. But anyways, those are my positions. I'm gonna set my orders now, and that's it. Good luck, traders. Make your own studies. and I do not suggest you piggyback on anyone's trades. My trades have been successful, and so far, thankfully. So but that's my risk that I'm putting in there. That's my own money that I'm putting in there. So do your own research, consult a financial professional if if you're not experienced at all. But if you can do this on your own as well. You can absolutely do this on your own. So that's it. Those are my trades, and that's how I look at the markets. That's my opinion. And have a good one. Happy trading and good luck.